Welcome back, friends. So today we're going to be continuing our series and focusing on the nose. If you haven't looked back at our other videos, we have done the eyes and the lips. So I'm looking forward to doing the nose. So let's get started. Materials you're going to need are pencils, thin black marker, eraser, ruler, sharpener, and a blending tool. First, we're going to identify the shapes that we're going to need to create the nose. Now that we have our shapes, let's begin. You're going to start off by creating a circle, and then from there you're going to create two smaller circles off to each side of that bigger circle. It's not like it's more like a triangle / oval shape. You're gonna go ahead and create these little tiny loops at the bottom of the two circles on the side. That's going to give you the shape of the nostril. From there you will create two lines that are parallel but kind of slanted inward to create the bridge of the nose. And that's the basic shape of the nose. And we're going to try this 2 more times. Again, you create a circle in the center, and then you're going to create the two smaller oval-like shapes on the side, and then you'll create the nostrils. And then from the nostrils, you'll then create the bridge. We do this 3 times is to really get a full understanding of how the nose are broken up into different shapes that then creates the complete look of the nose, and it just makes it easier for you to be able to do it on your own. So practicing is always key. Now that we've practiced shapes, now we're going to focus on shading. Shading is what is going to make the nose 3-dimensional. So remember what we've learned in the first practice, which is we're going to create the center circle, and then the 2 circles on the side, which is really kind of like a triangle shape or an oval shape. Then we will create the loops to create the appearance of the nostrils, and then we will create the bridge. In the last videos in our series, I showed you a technique on how I scratch my pencil on my paper and use that with my smudging tool or my blending tool to create the outline shape of the nose, so that it is easier to blend and create that 3-dimensional feel.
hope you enjoyed the drawing tutorial. I enjoy drawing faces only because it's so challenging for me. It's not something that I'm really good at, and so practice really helps. I recognize how much better I'm getting at drawing noses, mouths, and lips because I'm practicing. So just remember, practice is key, and next week we'll be focusing on the face structure, and hopefully we'll just be able to put it all together and see what we get. So I look forward to doing the next video with you guys. Bye.